Good morning, children. Welcome to the another class of English Literature, Chapter A Trip to Mars, Part 3. Children, in previous video we learnt when Captain Jenna reached on Mars, she saw 2 moons of Mars and she became very happy and she became very excited about finally reaching on Mars. Then she took her digging tool and opened the hatch door and got down on the surface of Mars. Captain Jenna wore a special space suit and carried an air tank on her back because she did not want to take dangerous air on Mars. And then she started to look here and there in search of rocks and soil because Mars is full of large and rocky hills. Now children, let's learn in details. Chapter 8, A Trip to Mars, Part 3. Children, before we start with this story, I would like to discuss some new words which will help you understand this chapter better. First one, perform. It means to do something, especially something that is difficult and needs skill. Next, assisted. It means helped. Next, mission. A task or a piece of work that has to be completed by someone. Next, the red planet. Means Mars is also known as the red planet because of the color of its surface. Now, congratulated. It means expressed pleasure and happiness to someone on their having achieved something. Now come to the next paragraph. Captain Jenna's scientist friends had already told her about all the good places on Mars from where she could dig out the rocks. Now, I should go in search of the spots from where I can find the right rocks from the test, she said. Curio went along with her to help her find the rocks. Means children, then what happened? Children, Captain Jenna's scientist friends told her all the good places on Mars from where she could She could dig out the rocks. Then she started to find out the spots and she took robot along with her to help her find the rocks. Okay, children. Then come to the next paragraph. The scientists had asked Jenna to collect rocks and soil from the surface of Mars because they wanted to see if there was life on Mars long ago. Captain Jenna used her digging tool and collected a lot of rocks to perform tests on them. She then took the help of Curio to study the rocks and see if they could be taken back to the scientists on Earth. Then children, then the scientists had asked, what children? To Jenna, they asked to collect rocks and soil. From where? From the Mars. Why children? Because they wanted to know that if there was life on Mars long ago. Then Captain Jenna, what did she took? Yes, she took her digging tool. And what did she collect? Yes, she collected a lot of rocks. Come to the next paragraph. Curio helped Captain Jenna study the rocks. It also assisted her in digging a few more rocks from the soil. Finally, it took a picture of Captain Jenna and sent it to Earth for all the other astronauts and scientists to see. Then what happened, children? Then what happened, children? Curio helped that robot, Captain Jenna, studied the rocks, and at last it took a picture of Captain Jenna and sent where? Yes, to Earth. For whom? Yes, for all the other astronauts and scientists. Now come to the next paragraph. At last, the time came for Captain Jenna and Curio to leave the red planet and head back home. They traveled past all the planets and stars. Captain Jenna's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks which she had collected on her mission. Then what happened, children? Captain Jenna's work was done as she had brought back all the rocks she had collected on her mission. Now come to the next paragraph. She came back and told everyone about what she saw on Mars. The scientists thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. They even wondered if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. All the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna and told her what excellent work she had done. Well done, Captain Jenna. Soon it will be time for you to get ready for another trip, they said together. Then what happened? Then what happened, children? She back where? Children, yes, on the Earth. And she told everything what she saw on Mars. And what did scientists think? And what did scientists think? They thought that people had lived on Mars a long time ago. And also they wondered what if Mars was green and blue like Earth at one time. And all the scientists congratulated Captain Jenna. For what? For her excellent work. And they told together, what, children? That it will be time for you to get ready for another trip. So children, you see this video time to time and try to understand this chapter. Thank you.